Welcome students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start our question number 4 of exercise number 9.3. First we will read out the statement given to us. Find the radius and volume of each of the following spheres whose surface area are given below. Students, in this question they gave us the surface area of sphere. We have to find out firstly the radius and then the volume of sphere. Let's start our solution. Students, our part 1 is 2011/7 centimeter square. As you can see students, this is a mixed fraction given to us. We will first convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction, then we will continue our solution. A is equal to 2011/7 centimeter square because this is the area which is given to us. According to formula, A is equal to 4 pi r square. On the place of A, we will write 2011/7 is equal to 4 pi r square. Now students, we will convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. We will multiply 201 with 7, we got 1407, then add 1 to it, we got 1408/7 is equal to 4 pi r square. Now students, we will put the value of pi. By putting value of pi, 1408/7 is equal to 4 into 22/7 r square. As you can see student, that 7 is dividing with 22, so it will multiply with 1408. 4 and 22 both are multiplying with r square. On the other hand, it will divide with the 7 into 1408. So students, we will write 7 into 1408/7 into 4 into 22. Now students, we will simplify. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12, to carry it makes 20, 4 fives are 20 and 4 twos are 8. Now students, we have left numbers 352/22. When we divide both, we got our answer 16 is equal to r square. As you can see students, firstly we have to find out the value of r, so we will take square root on both sides. We will write by taking square root on both sides. Square root of 16 centimeter square is equal to square root of r square. Square of r cancel with the square root, we got r, and centimeter square cancel with the square root, we got centimeter, and square root of 16 is equal to 4. So r is equal to 4 centimeter. Now students, we have to find out the volume of sphere by using our formula 4/3 pi r cube. Now students, by putting values 4/3 into 22/7 into 4 cube, we will write 4 3 times. 4/3 into 22/7 into 4 into 4 into 4. Students, when we multiply 4 into 22 into 4 into 4 into 4, we got 5632, and 3 into 7 we got 21. When we divide both values, we got our answer which is 268.19 centimeter cube. This is the answer of our volume. So V is equal to 268.19 centimeter cube. Now students, I will show you the multiplications and division. Now students, when we multiply 4 3 times, we got 64. As you can see, 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. 64 into 4 we got 256, and when we multiply 256 into 22, we got 5632. Here is our division. When we divide 5632 with 21, 21 twos are 42. When we subtract 56 and 42, we got 14 and 3 from the upper number. 21 6 are 126. After the subtraction, we got 17 and 2 from the above. 21 8s are 168. After the subtraction, we got 4. Then we will add point in the quotient and 0 with the number. 21 1s are 21. After the subtraction, we got 19. We add 0 because of the decimal. Then 21 9s are 189, and when we subtract, we got 1. Student, as you can see that division process is not ending, so the quotient is our answer which is 268.19 centimeter cube. Now students, our third part is 616 meter square. They gave us the surface area of sphere. We have to find out firstly the radius of sphere, then the volume of sphere. Let's begin our solution. A is equal to 616 meter square. According to formula, A is equal to 4 pi r square. On the place of A, we will write 616 is equal to 4 pi r square. Now by putting values, 616 will write as it is equal to 4 into 22/7 into r square. Students, as you can see that 7 is dividing. On other side, it will multiply with 616, and 4 and 22 both are multiplying with r square. On the other hand, they will divide with the number. So we will write 616 into 7/4 into 22 is equal to r square. Now students, starts our simplification. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 2 is carry, 4 5s are 20, 1 is carry, 4 4s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. That on the table of 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 7s are 77. We got 7 into 7 is equal to r square. We will write 7 multiply 7 is equal to r square. After the multiplication, we got 49 meter square is equal to r square. We will take square root on both sides by writing the statement by taking square root on both sides. Square root of 49 meter square is equal to square root of r square. When we take square root of 49, we got 7. When we take square root of meter square, we got meter. And when we take square root of r square, we got r. So r is equal to 7 meter. Now students, we have to find out the volume of sphere by using this radius, which is 7 meter. We will write the formula. Volume of sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. By putting values 4 over 3 into 22 over 7 into 7 cube. We will write 7 3 times. 4 over 3 into 22 over 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. See that students, we have written 4 over 3 into 22 over 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now students, we will simplify. 7 1s are 7. So the number left are 4 into 22 into 7 into 7, and in denominator we have 3. When students, we multiply 4 into 22, we got 88, and when we multiply 7 into 7, we got 49. Students, we will multiply 88 with 49, and denominator is 3 as it is. Now students, when we multiply 88 with 49, we got 4312, and in denominator we have 3. When we divide both numbers, we got 1437.33 meter cube. Now students, this is our answer. So volume of a sphere is equal to 1437.33 meter cube. Now students, I show you the working of this question. Here is the working. Students, when we multiply 88 with 49, we got 4312. Here is our division process. We have dividend 4312, and our divisor is 3. 3 1s are 3. After subtraction, we got 1. 3 as it is. 3 4s are 12. After subtraction, we got 1. 1 from the above. 3 3s are 9. 11 minus 9, we got 2. 2 from the above, it makes 22. 3 7s are 21. Then after subtraction, we got 1. We are adding point in quotient and 0 with the number. 3 3s are 9. After subtraction, we got 1, and because of point, we will add 0 with the number. 3 3s are 9. After subtraction, we got 1. As you can see students, that division process is not ending, so the quotient is our answer. So our volume is equal to 1437.33 meter cube. Here is our question number 5. A spherical tank is of radius 7.7 meter. How many liters of water can it contain when 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter? Students, whenever the requirement is to find out the capacity, we will have to find out its volume. So in this question, they gave us the radius of spherical tank. Then we will find out the volume of spherical tank by using our radius, which is 7.7 meter. Let's start our solution. Solution R is equal to 7.7 meter because they gave us the radius of spherical tank. According to formula, you all know about the formula of volume of sphere. V is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube by putting values. Now students, here we will write 4 over 3 into 22 over 7 into 7.7 whole cube. We will write 7.7 3 times. 4 over 3 into 22 over 7 into 7.7 into 7.7 into 7.7. Students, when we multiply 7.7 3 times, we will got 456.533, and when we multiply 4 with 22, we got 88, and when we multiply 3 into 7, we got 21. Now students, when we multiply 88 into 456.533, we got 40174.904 over 21 as it is. Now students, when we divide 40174.904 with 21, we got 1913.09066667 meter cube. Students, I show you the working of all multiplications and division at the end. Now students, number of liters of water spherical tank contain is equal to 1913.09066667 into 100 into 100 into 100 divided by 1000. Why we put 3 times 100? Students, because our answer is in meter cube. but we convert into centimeter cube, so we will multiply the number with 3 times of 100. Then why we divide with 1000? Because 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Now students, let's simplify it. 100 ones are 100 and 100 ones are 100 and 0 as it is. Then 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10 and 0 as it is. Now students, we have 1913.09066667 into 1000. When we multiply, we got our answer, which is 19139090.67 liters. Now students, our answer statement is a spherical tank contain 191390.67 liters of water. Now students, here is our working. Students, when we multiply 7.7 with 7.7, we will got our answer 59.29. And when we multiply 59.29 with 7.7, we got 456.533. Now students, when we multiply 456.533 into 88, we will got 40174.904. And students, when we multiply 1913.09066667 into 1000, we will got our answer 19139090.666700. Students, as you can see that we have round off our answer up to 2 decimal places. So the answer is 191390.67 liters. Students, here is our question number 6. The radius of sphere A is twice that of a sphere B. Find. First requirement is the ratio among their surface areas, and the second requirement is the ratio among their volumes. For requirement 1, let the radius of sphere B is r and surface area of sphere B is equal to 4 pi r square. Whereas the radius of sphere A is equal to 2r. Why is it 2r? Because in statement they told us that sphere A radius is twice of the sphere B. So the radius of sphere A is equal to 2r and surface area of sphere A is equal to 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square, on the place of r square we will put 2r because the value of radius is 2r whole square. By opening the square we got 4r square. 4 for the 16 pi r square as it is. Students, our requirement is to create a ratio between the surface area of sphere A and the surface area of sphere B. So we will write surface area of sphere A over surface area of sphere B is equal to 16 pi r square over 4 pi r square. Now students, we will simplify the both terms. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, and pi r square will cancel with the pi r square. So the our remaining numbers are 4 over 1. So here our ratio between the surface area of sphere A and surface area of sphere B is equal to 4:1. Now students, our second requirement is volume of sphere B is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Volume of sphere A is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. On the place of r we will put 2r because the radius of sphere A is twice of the radius of sphere B. So students, 4 over 3 pi into 2r whole cube. By opening the cube we got 8r cube. 4 over 3 pi will written as it is. Now students, we in this form of numbers we can write is as this, that 8 into 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now students, here we create a ratio between the volume of sphere A and the volume of sphere B. We will write volume of sphere A over volume of sphere B is equal to 8 into 4 over 3 pi r cube over 4 over 3 pi r cube. 4 over 3 pi r cube cancel with the 4 over 3 pi r cube. So the remaining numbers are 8 over 1. So the ratio between the volumes of both sphere is equal to 8:1. So ratio among surface areas of spheres is equal to 4:1, and a ratio among volumes of sphere is equal to 8:1. Friends, here is our question number 7. The surface area of a sphere is 576 pi centimeter square. What will be its volume? If it is melted, how many small sphere of diameter 1 centimeter can be made out of it? Students, in this question they gave us the surface area of sphere, which is 576 pi centimeter square. We have to find out the volume. To find out the volume, first we will use this area to find out the radius, and then we use the radius to find out the volume of sphere. Here is our solution. Surface area of sphere is equal to 576 pi centimeter square. According to formula, you all know about the formula of surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. As you can see that 4 pi r square is equal to 576 pi, because this is the surface area of sphere. Now students, we have to find out the value of r. Then 4 pi is multiplying with r square. On other hand, it will divide with 576 pi. Now students, we will write r square is equal to 576 pi over 4 pi. On simplification, pi is cancelled with the pi. 4 ones are 4. 1 carry, here comes 17, 4 fours are 16, 1 carry, it makes 16, so 4 fours are 16. Then r square is equal to 144. Now students, to find out the value of r, we will take square root on both sides. Square root of r square is equal to square root of 144. Square root of r square is equal to r, and the square root of 144 is equal to 12 centimeter. As you can see the working of square root. Now students, we have to find out the volume of sphere. So here is the formula of volume of sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cube. By putting values, we will write 4 over 3 pi into 12 cube. We will write 12 3 times. 4 over 3 pi into 12 into 12 into 12. When students, we simplify, then 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. When we multiply 4 into 4 into 12 into 12, we got 2304 pi. We are not solving the pi because we will solve it at the end. Now students, next is radius of the small sphere. As you can see that in the question statement, they tell us the diameter, but as you know that radius is equal to d over 2, so the radius is equal to 1 by 2 because diameter is given to us, which is 1. So we will use radius is equal to 1 by 2. Radius of the small sphere is equal to 1 by 2 centimeter. Volume of small sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. On the r cube, we will put the value of r, which is 1 by 2. Here 4 over 3 pi into 1 by 2 whole cube. By opening the cube, we have 4 by 3 pi into 1 over 8. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Then we have pi over 6 because 3 twos are 6 centimeter cube. Students, to find out the number of small spheres, we will divide the volumes of both. First which we have find out earlier, and the second of the small sphere. Now students, we will write 2304 pi centimeter cube over pi over 6 centimeter cube. Here you can see that pi is in denominator. We will brought it to numerator. Then we will write 2304 pi centimeter cube into 6 over pi centimeter cube. Now students, pi centimeter cube is cancelled with the pi centimeter cube, so the numbers left are 2304 into 6. When we multiply both numbers, we got number of small sphere, which are 13824. This is our answer. So the answer statement is number of small spheres is equal to 13824. Now students, here is the working. Students, when we multiply 12 with 12, we got 144, and when we multiply 144 with 16, we got 2304, and when we multiply 2304 with 6, we got 13824, which is our answer. Students, have you noticed that we did not put the value of pi in this question? First reason is this, that our question statement having surface area of sphere with the value of pi, that's why. And the other reason is this, that pi's will automatically cancel at the end. That's why we did not put the value of pi in this question and solve the question as it is. Students, if you want to put the value of pi, then to solve the question, the answer will be the same. I hope students you understand all this question very well. Take care.